Want to switch to Tesco Mobile but keep your current phone number? You absolutely can. This process is called number porting, and it's designed to make switching providers easy. Tesco Mobile, which operates on the O2 network, supports number porting, but there are a few key steps you need to follow. This video will guide you through the process, ensuring a smooth transition. As of October 2025, the process is streamlined thanks to enhanced online tools and eSIM compatibility, so you can usually get your number transferred within 24 to 48 hours after submitting the necessary information. Let's get started. First, check your eligibility to port your number. Make sure your current mobile contract allows porting. Unpaid bills or being near the end of your contract might cause delays or fees. Next, get a PAC code from your current provider. Contact them through their app, website, or by calling. This code is free and usually provided within 24 hours. Remember, PAC codes expire after 30 days, so use it promptly. Third, choose a Tesco Mobile plan that suits your needs. Select a SIM-only or pay-as-you-go plan. Tesco Mobile supports porting for both types, but if you choose prepaid, ensure the SIM is active. Fourth, submit your details when signing up with Tesco Mobile. Provide your PAC code, current phone number, and account details during the sign-up process. Finally, activation occurs once porting is complete. Your old SIM deactivates, and your number becomes active on the new Tesco Mobile SIM. Test it within 24 hours to ensure everything works. PAC tips: always double-check your PAC code for accuracy before submitting. If porting fails, contact Tesco Mobile support immediately for assistance. By following these steps and tips, you'll have your number with Tesco Mobile soon.